Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I'm back after a very long time after doing the Gear Cube tutorial. So I'm back with a new video. In this video I will be doing the blind solve of a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, as you can see I have here. So for this blind solve I'll be using two pieces of cotton. I will be placing them on my eye so that my eye will be completely dark, and on that I will be putting a blindfold as I have here. So yeah, if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, let's start. So let me shuffle the cube. Shuffle. So yes, I've completely shuffled this video. As you can see, the cube is shuffled completely. Yeah, so it's shuffled now. So let me solve it now. Let me look at it. S, G, Q, D, M, S. 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 So. So yeah, let's see if I've solved it. Yeah, and finally the cube is solved, as you can see. So I've solved the cube blindfolded. So thank you guys for watching it. Do like, share and subscribe my channel again. And yeah, thank you. Do subscribe and I'll be back with a new video again. Tata, bye bye.